the heads of MI5 and FBI warned of the growing long-term threat posed by China to UK and US interests. In their first joint appearance, MI5 Director General Ken McCallum said the service has already more than doubled our previously constrained effort against Chinese activity of concern, adding it was running 7 times as many investigations as in 2018. The Chinese government is trying to shape the world by interfering in our politics, and those of our allies, I should add, FBI Director Christopher Wray said. Wray warned that the Chinese government poses an even more serious threat to Western businesses than even many sophisticated business people realize, and is set on stealing your technology. The allegations against China by US and UK intelligence officials are completely groundless, and the so-called cases they listed are pure shadow chasing, a spokesperson for the Chinese embassy in the UK said, in response to a question about the comments made by McCallum and Wray.